Hello viewers, today we are going to see a review of Awei A885 Bluetooth stereo sports headset. So this is the box that comes in and we are going to unboxing within a short moment. This is the normal specification. So first of all, as you can see, it's IPX4 water resistant. That means normal water weather like rain or snow and even water splashes, it should withstand that easily without any kind of problem. And it has NFC for easy pair and play support if your smartphone has NFC enabled, so that's always nice. And it has also Bluetooth version 4.1. So let's open this box up. After opening the box, you'll see there is a paperwork and another box within the box, and there is the headphone itself. Okay, let's see what's in this small box right here. Maybe the charging cable or extra pair of earbuds or so. Yeah, I was right, it's an extra pair of earbuds. If you have like small or big ear holes, you can easily swap that with the default one, and according to your needs you can change the earbuds. And the charging cable, so there is no adapter, only the cable. So now let's head to the headphone. Let's free this up of this prison. Oops, the earbud folded away. Let me fix that. Yeah, fixed it. So this is the headphone that we can see. It looks nice, looks flexible because it's it's not over the ear. So this is the band that will stay the back of your head and go to your ear. So there are like 2 or 3 buttons here which you can like a next or previous button, and the another one is like the power button. So there is nothing else, and there is also a charging port. That's it, there's nothing else on this headphone. It's really easy to pair and listen to music, so it's easy. So this is the power button, like you will have to like press and hold it for 5 to 6 seconds to turn it on. Yeah, this turn it on, and when you like pair it through Bluetooth or NFC, the blinking will stop and it will be like constant blue light blinking. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.